minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition, engines full power, and liftoff. Go Falcon and go Starlink.
SpaceX launched a Falcon 9 rocket Sunday afternoon from Launch Complex 39A at Cape Canaveral with a payload of 23 Starlink satellites.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
Headed for the constellation.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
As usual, the Falcon 9 flew a nominal flight.
Falcon is supersonic. Max Q.
MVAC engine chill started. Main engine cut off.
Stage separation confirmed.
MVAC ignition.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Both vehicles continue to follow a nominal trajectory.
Stage 1 FTSS saved.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
Stage 2 FTSS saved.
Entry burn shutdown. Stage 1 transonic.
Stage 2 is in terminal guidance.
Stage 1 landing burn.
After first stage separation, the booster, which was on its 18th flight, landed on the drone recovery ship, a Shortfall of Gravitas.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
MVAC shutdown.
A short time later, the second stage entered
Nominal park orbit insertion.
another successful SpaceX mission. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you track every SpaceX launch.